March 8th is International Women's Day. Hello, good people. My name is Janiece, your host here at Dignity, Human Rights in Daily Life. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. After watching this video, I invite you to check out this playlist and please consider subscribing. Since 1911, International Women's Day has been celebrated first in Austria, Denmark, Germany, and Switzerland, later in the Americas and the UK, and now all over the world. The following posters and pictures represent strides that have been made over the years. In 1894, Germany, Clara Zetkin, a politician and women's rights activist, took to the pages of the Social Democratic women's magazine, Die Gleichheit, to wage an attack against mainstream German feminism. According to Zetkin, bourgeois feminists pressed the reforms through a struggle between the sexes against the men of their own class without questioning the very existence of capitalism. By contrast, working women, through a struggle of class against class, and in a joint fight with men of their class, sought to transcend capitalism. Fast forward to 1911, to the first International Women's Day, which took place on March 19th, to coincide with the anniversary of the 1848 revolution in Berlin. Around the world, working women set aside a day for themselves. Women workers in the United States, Switzerland, Denmark, and Austria chose March 8th as Women's Day. Counterparts in France, Holland, Sweden, Bohemia, and Russia soon added themselves to the list of celebrants. Celebrating International Women's Day on March 8th took hold as a worldwide practice in 1914. Here's a map of what all over the world looks like. Official holidays are indicated in orange. Holidays for women are indicated in amber, and unofficial holidays are indicated in yellow. Clearly, there's work to be done. Women have, however, come a long way, and now is an important time in history to do everything possible to help forge a more gender-balanced world. With Balance for Better as this year's theme, General assemblies will take place throughout the week with a focus on women in industry. The International Day Women's website provides resources for you to initiate your own International Women's Day celebration throughout the month of March or throughout the year. In the meantime, at UN headquarters in New York City, UN Women will kick off International Women's Day with the celebratory theme, Think Equal, Build Smart, Innovate for Change, which puts innovation by women and girls for women and girls at the heart of efforts to achieve gender equality. Between March 11th and March 22nd, the UN Commission on the Status of Women will commence its 63rd session with a theme that focuses on social protection systems, access to public services, and sustainable infrastructure for gender equality and the empowerment of women and girls. One of its side events includes a youth dialogue, which is a space and opportunity for young people to suggest out-of-the-box solutions that will help make social protection systems, public services, and sustainable infrastructure work for young people. For more information on these and other programs throughout the month of March, visit the UN Women's website. I will leave a link in the description box below. For an introduction to human rights, please check out the playlist marked Introduction to Human Rights. Mark hashtag Team Dignity in the comments, like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime, be well and remember to live your life with dignity. Bye-bye.